in the prestigious halls of the Galactic Academy, where the brightest minds from across the stars gathered. Few assignments were met with disdain. Today was an exception. Deathworlds, Professor Rylos began, his voice steady but commanding, are more than myths. They are tests of nature's extremities, where life, if it exists, thrives against all odds. Your next task is to study one. Groans rippled through the class. Zektra, a biologist from the water-rich world of Ocean, waved a dismissive hand. Life on Deathworlds is overblown. Primitive microbes, if anything. Primitive microbes that survive conditions your kind would perish in. Rylos countered. Myra, a quiet but curious scholar, raised a hand. Professor, why are Deathworlds important now? Haven't we outgrown them? Rylos' lips twitched in a near smile. A valid question. The galaxy often overlooks what it doesn't understand. But as leaders, you must face the unknown without arrogance. The simulation chamber would transport them to Earth. A fabled Category 10 Deathworld. Most dismissed it as irrelevant, but Myra couldn't shake a strange curiosity about why it had been chosen. Escalation. The students boarded the shuttle, a blend of arrogance and indifference in their attitudes. Zektra brought advanced analysis tools, while Korath, the cybernetically enhanced prodigy, bragged about his superior systems. Myra, sensing an unease in Rylos, stayed silent. The descent into Earth's orbit was meant to be a smooth transition into a controlled simulation, but the ship suddenly lurched violently. Alarms blared, and systems failed. What's happening? Zektra shrieked, clutching her console. Rylos, unusually calm, said only, brace yourselves. They plummeted through Earth's atmosphere and crash-landed in dense wilderness. Smoke billowed from the wreckage as the students stumbled out, realizing this wasn't a simulation. Chapter 2 Welcome to Hell. Opening hook. The air was heavy, the sense of burnt metal and damp foliage mingling as the students surveyed their surroundings. This is real, Myra whispered. Earth's wildness was overwhelming. The sun blazed fiercely, insects buzzed incessantly, and the humid air clung to their skin. We need shelter, Korath said, scanning the area. His cybernetic eye flickered erratically, and fast. Their arrogance crumbled quickly. Zektra's tools were ineffective against Earth's chaotic life. A simple soil sample teemed with microorganisms that began corroding her instruments. Impossible, she muttered, retreating in frustration. Korath's enhancements faltered as humidity and static electricity disrupted his systems. This place is unnatural, he growled. Myra, meanwhile, focused on observation. She noticed how even the smallest creatures moved with precision, as if attuned to survival. They ventured deeper into the wilderness, encountering Earth's predators. A pack of wolves circled them, their intelligent eyes sizing up the intruders. We're not food, Korath muttered, activating his energy shield. The wolves backed off but didn't flee. Even the predators here are calculating, Myra observed. Cliffhanger. As night fell, the forest erupted with unfamiliar sounds. In the shadows, glowing eyes watched them. We're being hunted, Zektra whispered, her voice trembling. Suddenly, a low growl rumbled from behind. Chapter 3 Predator and Prey. Opening hook. A bear emerged from the underbrush, its massive frame dwarfing the students. Korath raised his weapon, but Rylos stopped him. Do not provoke it. You won't win. The students froze as the bear sniffed the air, then slowly retreated. It's not afraid of us, Myra said, her evident conflict escalation. The group's supplies dwindled as Earth's relentless environment pushed them to their limits. A thunderstorm rolled in, soaking them and leaving Korath's systems flickering dangerously. Zektra's arrogance crumbled further when she fell into a patch of thorny undergrowth, her protective suit torn. This world is alive in ways we can't comprehend, she cried. Meanwhile, Myra pieced together Earth's ecosystem, marveling at its interconnectedness. She theorized that Earth's life forms were not just surviving, they were thriving by adapting faster than any other planet's species. Cliffhanger. The group stumbled upon ancient ruins. Strange markings and crumbling structures hinted at an advanced civilization. This shouldn't exist on a Deathworld, Myra murmured. They entered cautiously, and aware of the secrets buried within. Chapter 4 The Truth of Humanity. Opening hook. Inside the ruins, the students found remnants of an advanced species, humanity. Impossible, Zektra whispered. How did they survive this place? Discovery of humanity. The ruins revealed fragments of history, humans mastering fire, harnessing nature, and overcoming catastrophic events. Holographic recordings showed humans pushing boundaries, adapting to every challenge. They didn't just survive, Myra said. They thrived. Korath grew uneasy. If they could dominate a death world, what stopped them from conquering the galaxy? The group discovered clues suggesting humanity's reach had extended beyond Earth, only to mysteriously vanish. Cliffhanger. An earthquake shook the ruins, nearly trapping them inside. As they fled, Myra noticed a strange symbol etched into a wall, a warning or a message. Chapter 5. Adaptation above all. Opening hook. The group narrowly escaped the collapsing ruins, only to face Earth's raw fury once more. This world doesn't want us here, Zectra said. Themes of survival. The students began to respect Earth's resilience. Myra's calm leadership kept them alive, as they built rudimentary shelters and used their knowledge to forage safely. Rylos remained enigmatic, observing their struggle without interference. What do you know about Earth? Myra finally demanded. It was abandoned, not conquered, Rylos said cryptically. Humanity left their mark on the galaxy long ago. Cliffhanger. As they prepared to leave, they found an active distress beacon buried in the ruins. Someone or something was still watching. Chapter 6. The lesson learned. Opening hook. Back aboard their repaired ship, the students debriefed. Earth isn't just a death world, Myra said. It's a proving ground. Reflections. Each student shared their realizations. Zectra acknowledged Earth's life forms as unmatched in resilience. Korath warned of humanity's potential return, fearing what a species forged in such conditions could accomplish. Myra argued that humanity's adaptability was their greatest strength. Professor Rylos revealed the final twist: Earth was only one of many death worlds. Humanity's legacy was spreading quietly across the galaxy. Cliffhanger ending. As the ship departed, a holographic message activated. An unknown voice said, "Welcome to the galaxy's greatest survival story. Lesson 1, never underestimate a death world." The students exchanged uneasy glances, knowing their understanding of the galaxy had been forever changed.